If you've ever found yourself staring at CapCut, frustrated by unstable network errors right when you're ready to edit, you're definitely not alone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a clear, step-by-step process for fixing unstable network issues in CapCut, whether you're on your phone or your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do, so you can get back to editing, uploading, and sharing your videos without interruptions. Let's dive right in with some basic troubleshooting. These are the foundation steps, and more often than not, they resolve the issue right away. First, check your internet connection. I know this sounds obvious, but it's easy to overlook. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong or your mobile data is switched on and not running low. I always open up my browser or another app, maybe load a YouTube video or refresh Instagram, just to confirm that my device is genuinely online. Sometimes the problem isn't CapCut at all, it's just a weak network connection. Next up, let's reset the network hardware. Unplug your modem and router from their power sources. Give it a solid 30 seconds. Maybe count down or grab a quick sip of water, then plug them back in. This action clears out any temporary glitches. Think of it like shaking an Etch-a-Sketch to wipe the screen. Allow a minute for everything to restart and reconnect before you move forward. If you're on a mobile device, toggling airplane mode is a quick trick that often helps. Swipe into your settings, flip airplane mode on, and wait for about 10 seconds. Then turn it off again. This step forces your phone to reset its network connections, almost like giving it a fresh handshake with the Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes the issue is within CapCut itself, so let's restart both the app and, if necessary, your device. Make sure you properly close CapCut, swiping it away from your recent apps or using the task manager, not just hitting the home button. Then, give it another try. If you're still seeing that network error, restart your phone or computer completely. A proper reboot can clear up stubborn problems that linger in the background. Another detail that's often overlooked is your physical location. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Signals can get blocked or weakened by walls, furniture, or even microwaves. So if you're editing in your bedroom and the router's in the living room, consider shifting seats for a moment. You'd be surprised how much of a difference this can make. So what if the basics didn't solve it? Let's move on to device-specific solutions for a deeper fix. One common culprit is corrupted app data, so it's worth clearing CapCut's cache. On Android, go to Settings, find Apps, select CapCut, and under Storage, tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you'll head into Settings, tap General, go to iPhone Storage, find CapCut, and choose Offload or Delete to clear the data, then reinstall the app. If you're using CapCut on a PC, open the app, locate the gear icon for settings, and look for an option to clear cache or app data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be interfering with CapCut's ability to connect smoothly. It's also essential to keep CapCut updated. Outdated versions can cause all sorts of compatibility hiccups, especially if CapCut has updated its servers or features recently. On mobile, open the Play Store or Apple App Store, search for CapCut, and run any updates you see. For PC users, head straight to the official CapCut website and download the latest version. This helps ensure you have all the newest fixes and features for the best experience. Check your device's storage while you're at it. CapCut needs room to save clips and export files, and if your device is running low, especially below 1 GB free, things just won't run smoothly. Clear out old photos, unused apps, or big downloads. Making space helps the app process data without hiccups. Finally, confirm that your system's time and region settings are correct. It might sound trivial, but CapCut needs to sync with its servers, and mismatched date and time settings can suddenly block that. Go into Settings and set your device to set automatically for date and time. That way, everything lines up properly behind the scenes. And there you have it. These steps cover just about all the common causes for an unstable network in CapCut. If you've tried all these solutions and still get stuck, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to hit like if this tutorial helped, and subscribe for more practical tips and fixes for your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!